Well, one of India's biggest investors, Rakesh Jhujhunwala, has told NDTV that we are in a long-term bull market. Given the turnaround in industrial growth, there is a lot of optimism in the markets this Diwali. Speaking to NDTV Shweta Rajpal Kohli, he says the fast stock market recovery has taken him by surprise.
I think the way the Indian economy has responded, I think this is optimism not only for this Diwali but for many Diwalis to come.
All right. So what's your sense of the next few sessions that we are going to see before Diwali? Do you expect that investors will have a good run-up in the pre-Diwali sessions?
Shweta, is very difficult to predict day-to-day movements.
Right.
So I can say the direction both short-term and long-term is upward. But what will happen in the next few sessions, I think, is difficult to predict.
But a lot of pessimists will also say that this market is now getting overheated, valuations are getting overstretched.
I don't think, my personal opinion, that we are necessarily overvalued.
But it is an expensive market right now.
Ma'am, bull markets go up on a wall of worry, bear markets come down on a ray of hope. So as long as there is worry, markets do well. And I don't think it's an overheated market in terms of commitment or the potentiality of money still coming in. And in absolute valuations, I don't think absolute valuations are so high so as to say that it's a bubble, or valuations could still go higher.
It may not be a bubble, but you do agree that we can expect a correction going forward.
Yeah, we can always expect a correction. So what? You had a rise from 2,800. Suppose markets go to 5,500 and correct, and they come back to 5,000. So what? It's natural.
So a 10 to 15% correction is what you're saying will be a healthy correction for the markets, and we should be prepared for it.
Yeah, we should be prepared, but we don't know when it will occur, whether it will occur at 5,000 or 5,500 or 5,800.
But those who are optimistic are saying that expect the stock markets to even touch the lifetime highs that we had seen, Sensex at 21,000 in the next 6 to 8 months. Would you agree with that view? Are you also that bullish right now?
Ma'am, markets hitting a new high in the next 6 to 8 months, lifetime highs. I won't rule it out, but I'll give it a very slim chance. So I'm sure Indian markets will ultimately hit new highs and go far higher. But to do it in the next 6 months to 8 months, I think is a tall order.
So when do you think we'll see the lifetime highs coming in comfortably? Because you're saying 6 to 8 months is a tall order.
Suppose it doesn't happen for 12 to 24 months, what's wrong? I cannot describe the exact period, but I can tell you one thing, that we are in a long-term bull market.
Tuba.com,